My first comic by Hitanshu. Oh, I'm so bored. I know, I'll go clean my room. How in the world is my room clean? Wait, I'm sure my working desk is messy. I'll clean that. Is there anything to do? Let me check the kitchen. Yep, it's all clean. I'm tired of looking at them. I think I should go play some football. Wait, I can't play with these clothes. Which one should I wear? No, this is too basketball-y. Nope, this is too tennis-y. Yes, now this is football-y. Goal! And the crowd goes wild. All right, enough football. Basketball time. I have to go wear my basketball jersey. Oh! Looks like he tripped over his soccer ball. My body hurts now. I am hungry. All right, I'll ask my mom for food. Mom! She's not here. Where could she be? Kitchen? Nope. No, Mom. Where is she? Bright idea. Mom! Mom! I think he needs something. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to my mom. That's Mom, and she is shorter than her son. That was not a necessary comment caption. Yes, son? Mom, I need food. Did you check the fridge? The fridge, of course. No, I didn't. I have a weird but cute son. Food. Wait. What will I eat? I'll just check the fridge like Mom said. I think too much. What should I take? All right, I got what I wanted. I'll go to the dining table to eat. Good old pasta. Why did we change from color to black and white? Look at the difference. That was tasty, but why am I black and white? Even the fire is monochrome. I think I'm tired. Should I take a nap? Yeah, I should. But I'll check the soccer field first. It's monochrome here too. But the soccer ball is there. Nope. Too lazy. I need a nap. Yeah, still black and white. Well, I hope everything changes from old to new. But then, goes back to color. The end. A day in the life.